AJ Theme Park World here. Just come out of the spa the day after the park is shut, so I thought I'd do a quick video of the Alton Tower stargazing pods. It is looking really good. There's construction work on a brick building by the looks of it down the bottom end there, and there is looking like about 20 pods have been put in. Obviously still loads more to go. So at this point in time, not much construction I can actually tell you about. So anyway guys, stay tuned for the next couple of days for the fireworks video to be put up, the Scarefest edit we have done, and the end of season edit we will put up at some point this week. So stay tuned guys, see you all soon. Chat.